Hello everyone, this is Siddhant Ray here. In today's video, I am going to talk about the 15 GB storage issue faced by one and all on their Google account. This storage issue typically emanates from the fact that there is a storage cap of 15 GB on our Google account. We have our emails through Gmail in our Google account. Likewise, we have our photos on Google Photos within our Google account. Last but not the least, we also use Google Drive to store and share our files. Google Drive is also a part of our Google account. In a nutshell, our emails, photos on Google Photos and files on Google Drive eat up our 15 GB free storage limit pretty soon. I've already made two videos on this topic before. One where I have explained how to ensure your emails on Gmail do not eat up this 15 GB space. The second video I made on this series was how to ensure that your photos and videos on Google Photos do not eat up the 15 GB space. Now, this final video of this series is on how to ensure that the files you store on your Google Drive does not eat up the 15 GB limit. Today, Google Drive is the most popular and widely used public cloud which allows you to store your data. Also, one can access one's data stored on Google Drive from anywhere in the world and also share access of that data with others. The only prerequisite being the availability of internet access. The list of advantages of Google Drive is virtually endless. It is a boon to most people on earth since it is one of the few freely available and reliable cloud spaces today on the internet. Now, let us plunge into the main topic of this video. Google offers you with 15 GB of free storage in your Google account. This 15 GB storage is extremely meager for most users. Once you end up exhausting the 15 GB free storage limit, Google starts chasing you to purchase more storage for a monthly price. Most often, users helplessly end up buying extra storage at a high cost. They are most often not willing to delete emails within Gmail or photos in Google Photos or files on Google Drive and reduce the used up space. So, the simplest option then is to pay and buy extra space. But this is just not necessary. You can continue keeping all your data intact in your Google account and enjoy endless free storage without paying a penny or getting into any illegitimate hacks. I am here to share an absolutely legal and simple way of solving this massive problem. I would urge you to definitely watch my earlier two videos of this series before or after you watch this video. Links of those videos are provided in the description box below. Those two videos will help you tackle the data which is sitting in your Gmail account and your Google Photos and is eating up the free 15 GB space. This video helps you tackle the data which is sitting in your Google Drive and is encroaching upon the 15 GB free space. Once you have watched all my three videos in this series and applied what is shared in them, you would have a lifelong legal hack to your 15 GB free storage issue. So, without any further ado, let me show you how you can manage the files in your Google Drive and ensure they are not encroaching on your free 15 GB limit. So this is how you get an additional storage of 15 GB on your Google Drive account. So as you can see, the name of my Google Drive account is siddhantray07@gmail.com. I have used approximately 2.24 GB of the 15 GB allotted to me. Since I want to get more storage and reduce this 2.24 GB to a smaller number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to migrate all my Google Drive files onto a backup account, and the name of the backup account is siddhantray07b2@gmail.com. The B2 stands for backup 2. So you all might be wondering, why not name the Google Drive account to be siddhantray07b1@gmail.com, where the B1 would have stood for backup 1. The reason for that is I've already made that Google account and I've already used it in the previous two videos of this series. I had migrated all my emails from siddhantray07@gmail.com and all the Google Photos from siddhantray07@gmail.com, and because of this, the 15 GB storage had been completely used up on that backup account. That's why I had to make another backup account and I had to keep the name siddhantray07b2 as it was a part of the same series. So the next backup account I'll create is siddhantray07b3@gmail.com. Coming back to the topic, I'm going to select all these files, share these files with the backup account. Then we are going to go into the backup account. We are going to receive all the files and then download them onto that drive. Thereafter, we are going to come back to this original Google Drive account, select all these files and then delete them and put them in the trash. After this, we are going to go into the trash and clear the trash, and after that, we are going to see that this 2.24 GB is going to be completely reduced to a smaller number. So without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So for selecting, what we need to do is we need to left click on the first file. Now click on the shift key on your keyboard. Scroll till the extreme bottom till you can see the last file. So this is the last file. I'm going to left click on this, while having the shift key still pressed on my keyboard. Once all the files are selected, you can release the shift key. Now scroll till the top, right click and click on the share button. So as you can see, we are sharing 99 files. So what we need to do here, we just need to put the email ID of the backup account. So I'm going to type siddhantray07 p2@gmail.com. Select this and now click on send. Click on share anyway. So it says access updated. That means all the files have been migrated from this Google Drive account onto our backup account. Now let us log into our backup account. And we'll go to shared with me. Now we need to select all the files which we have just received. So for selecting the files, left click on the first file, click on the shift key on your keyboard, scroll till the bottom till you find the last file. So this is the last file. Now right click and click on add shortcut to drive. Now click on add shortcut over here with my drive selected. My drive might not be selected for some of you, but you need to select it in this manner and then click on add shortcut. So adding 100 shortcuts. So it says 100 shortcuts added to my drive. Let's cancel this and we'll go to my drive. So all the files which were on this Google Drive account have been successfully migrated onto this Google Drive backup account. So now for the last step, I'm back onto our original Google Drive account, which is siddhantray07@gmail.com. So we need to select all the files and then put them in the trash bin. So for selecting the file for putting them in the trash bin, what we need to do is we need to select the files in bits and pieces. So we can select probably 50 files at a time and then start putting them in the bin. So how many ever files are there, we'll have to put them in sets of 50. So let's select the first few files. So click on the first file, shift key, scroll, delete. So it says 19 items removed from trash. So I'm going to do the same for other files. So I've successfully put all the files in trash. Now let us go into trash and we'll just click on empty trash and now click on delete forever. So the trash is completely empty. Now let's go to my drive and we forgot to delete one of these files. So remove, go to trash, empty trash, delete forever. So right now, as you can see, we are using only 808.9 MB of the 15 GB available to us. And currently, Google Drive is using 0 MB of the 15 GB available to us since we just emptied the entire drive. And this 808.9 MB is being used by Gmail and Google Photos for this Google account. So by following these steps, we did not even lose any of our files. And at the same time, we got extra storage on our original Google Drive account. Generally, we have a lot of files to store on Google Drive and it fills up in no time. Hence, this migration of files should keep happening as soon as your Google account hits the 12 or 13 GB mark. This will ensure that you never receive another notification regarding lack of storage on your Google account. Once the first backup account is full, make another backup Gmail account which has a similar name to the first backup account. So if the name of the first backup account is johnbackup11@gmail.com, let your second backup account be johnbackup12@gmail.com. Let this series of backup accounts continue with multiple backup accounts in the future. In this manner, you can get free unlimited storage on your Google Drive and Google account without paying a single penny to Google. How to manage overflowing emails and photos or videos in your Google account has been already explained by me in part 1 and part 2 of this video series. The link of those videos are provided in the description box below. Please do watch those videos too without fail if you want to ensure that your emails and Google photos are not encroaching on the 15 GB free limit. When you shall apply what I have explained in all 3 videos of this series, it is then that you will find a comprehensive, legal and permanent solution to your 15 GB issue. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, smash the like button. Also, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Siddhant's Coding World. See you soon everyone. Bye for now.